This is really amazing video about how to make cool intro zoom through the text. I show you in this video how you can make quick and easy in Filmora. I'm going to use Filmora 10. Same steps will work with the Filmora 9 or 10. Before we start video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on the subscribe button, then click on ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. Now let's start. First open Filmora, then click on media. You click on media, then from the media you will see there's another folder says simple color. Click on it and we are going to use black. We are going to drag and drop in a video track. You can stretch out a little bit. You don't need a little longer. You can have it like 4 or 5 seconds. Then click on title. Now we are going to choose title. You can choose any title. I'm going to choose a basic and we are going to change title. Like you can put your channel name. You're going to make intro. I'm typing here, zoom through. From here we need to make a little bit more adjustment after typing your title. Just change the font size and choose different font. Can our title look like a little bit more bold? I feel this is okay for me. Now we just simply going to take a snapshot. Click on camera icon and you will have a picture and your video library. Just to delete both track from the bottom. And now we're going to drag and drop and video track number 2. So the one we have taken picture, bring in video track number 2 here, and now just simply stretch a little bit, click on, and we are going to crop and zoom. So from crop and zoom we are going to choose 16.9 and pan and zoom, and you can pan in as much as you can do. Just try to keep in center. I'm using this T part. You can use any part of your letter you're going through. So now simply click on OK, but here is another problem. I'm not able to cover whole T. There's another solution. Just play your effect and see how it look like. As soon as stop, we are going to take another snapshot from this position and we are going to drag and drop that snapshot and we are going to add another effect, crop and zoom. Just simply click. From here we are going to 16 and 9 and pan and zoom. Now I'm going to cover all the white area, but I will try to make in center. If you didn't make in center, probably your video gonna be shake a little bit when it's going through the T. So now this was I think enough. So I have made press OK. Now we are going to play and working with a little bit more timing. So as you can see, longer the duration, slower the animation. That's we have a talk always. Now we are going to work with the duration. You can make a smaller duration. I made the first one 1 second and the next is 30 seconds. Now our crop and zoom is working really good. Drag and drop media. You going through the text on the track number 1 and just simply click on your title and go to top image compositing, and from normal to we are going to use multiply, and we are going to use same thing to the second snapshot, multiply. Now you can simply play your project and you will see really cool intro zoom through the text. That's the way you can make it zoom through the text and Filmora 9 or 10. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.